many of our countrymen thought that it's not good, no, for a Senate that will be composed or that will have 3 tulfos. Remember, ang ating Senado ngayon will only be composed of 23 people, 23 senators, because Senator Ed Angara, Senator Angara is now the DepEd Secretary. So 23 lang sila. Imagine, tatlo ron tulfo. And I don't think it will give a balanced perspective, insofar as the Senate is concerned. And another thing, perhaps, siguro, nakita rin na ating mga kababayan, no, na yung pagkakaroon ng ibang mga senador na meron ng napatunayan, yung meron na talagang nagawa, no, na hindi natin may kakailan, na halimbawa, Senator Bam Aquino was able to provide several landmark legislation. The same goes with Senator Kiko Pangilinan. And of course, yung ibang mga datihan na rin natin ng mga senador na nagbalik, no? Like the senior senators, senior seasoned senators in the persona of Tito Soto as well as Panfilo Lacson.